Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain new video tutorial about how to recovery photo. Step 1, open Play Store and type photo recovery.
Step 2, click install and wait till application finish to install.
Step 2, click tap to scan and then click allow access. Step 3, click again, tap to scan and then you see all photos on your device deleted. Step 4, select photo you want to recovery. Step 5, click again in photo and export in your gallery. Step 6, open your gallery and you see photos now are recovery.